Alright, in this video we're looking at velocity, another practice activity, and this one happens to be magic stars. So it says, help the wizard cast a magical spell to send green stars across the screen whenever the space bar is pressed. So whenever we press the space bar, we want that star to move. So whenever I see the space bar, we know that when a key is pressed, right? And then it says, when it is, reset the position of the star and make it move to the right. Okay, so we got a couple different things. We've got an if, so might as well drag that out right now, that if the key is pressed down, the space, that's what we want here. So let's go ahead and drag this out and say when the space is pressed, we're going to have it do something. So the first thing we want to do is we want it to tackle the velocity. Let's go ahead and do that. So now we're going to use velocity x, and we'll call this the star because it matches up with the star up here. And let's make it 10. So if we do this right now, when we press the space, it's going to go ahead and move. But I can't do it more than once, right? So what we want to do is figure out this location, because what we're going to do is as it goes off screen, it's going to set it back to this spot again. So we're just going to change the star's X position. We're not actually going to increase it or anything like that. What we're going to do is just say that it shows up back over here. So we're going to go ahead and drag this out. And we should probably do this first, just so that when we press the space bar, it shows up here and then it moves. So we're going to go ahead and do star. And you know, I feel like 200 is right here, but 100's over here. So let's make it like 150. And let's go ahead and run this and see what happens. So there's our star. Okay, press the space bar, it moves off. Okay, see how it's not there, but when I press the space bar again, it shows up and goes ahead and moves. So we're really not, it may seem like there's more than one star here, but if I do this, you can see that it's just resetting it back to that location. Okay. So that's kind of how this works. It's not like making a clone of it or anything like that you might see in some other languages. But what we're really doing is just setting its location back to here and then moving it across the screen. So when we press the space bar again, it sets it back to there, moves it across the screen. And every time we press the space, that's what happens. And that's what's going on with this right here. All right, hopefully that helps you with your coding, and good luck.